One thing which everyone wants to understand is how a gemstone is priced, how we put a value to a gemstone. The difference between a gemstone and a stone is basically its looks. Once a gemstone is transparent with a lot of glitter in it and its color is very eye pleasing, it becomes a very highly priced gemstone. One thing is very important, you must understand it. If a gemstone is very precious, or we say the best quality of the gemstone, will be very eye pleasing. So if we are buying a blue sapphire, it has to have a eye pleasing deep blue color in it, along with transparency, along with a shine in it. The shine is the most important thing which has to be there in a good precious stone. It should glitter. It should give away a light which automatically catches the eye of the onlooker. This is the most important factor in a gemstone which differs it from other products. If a gemstone will be natural, it will have a kind of glitter, a kind of shine, a kind of look which a treated, heated gemstone will not have. A glass piece can never have the kind of look which a natural gemstone will have. That's why they are so precious, so costly. Over the centuries, everything has changed. But only one thing is there, that is the value of the gemstones. There are emeralds which look as if you look at them, you feel that some kind of light is being emitted out of them. They are very precious emeralds. They will have deep color, deep eye pleasing color. It's not that they will have a deep color means they are blackish. No, they will not be blackish. They will not be very light in color. They will have a eye pleasing color, something which will attract the other person that yes, it's very beautiful, very different. So that is something which one should be looking at if he is buying a real precious stone. But this kind of gemstones which I am defining are the higher range of gemstones. In present market scenario, you can get these gemstones around 40,000 rupees per rati, 50,000 rupees per rati, these kind of prices. Even in the lesser value gemstones, you should see certain factors. The most important factor which today everyone has to see in all the gemstones that you buy, that they should be non-heated, non-treated gemstones. Because a lot of emeralds which are being sold in the market are basically burials, and they have been dyed so well that they look good. The rubies that are being sold are generally the rubies which are heat treated and filled with glass. So they look very clear, very transparent, very beautiful. But they don't have any astrological value. Even otherwise, they don't look real and they don't look very good. Yellow sapphires also have this kind of treatment on them. So you should be buying a purely non-heated, non-treated gemstone, which is always available at Gem Selections, Khanna Gems. And the gemstone which you are buying should be certified from a proper laboratory. We get it certified from IGN-GPL, which is sponsored by Ministry of Commerce. So it is the best certificate to have. Along with that, you should always insist on a GST bill. That has an implication that it is coming from the right source and it is a proper gemstone and the seller is taking complete responsibility of the gemstone. So buy the gemstone in this way, and the pricing is based on its looks and its originality, its color, quality, transparency, shine. So look for all these factors and only then buy a gemstone.